Hey YouTube, I wanted to make a video. This is going to be a video series of quite a big project for me. Basically, this truck I bought on Craigslist. It's a 1980 GMC Brigadier, and it came with a ramp bed for hauling equipment. And what I'm basically doing is I'm taking the bed off and putting it on a nicer truck, a Kenworth that I just bought, that will pass an annual inspection. But let me show you this, what I have going so far. So last weekend I took the bed off and I just set it on the frame of the truck, but the closer I look, this frame, you probably can't see it, but the flatbed is all rusted, but the ramp part, you see it right there, the ramp part with the ramps, that is in really good condition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop it right here, keep the flatbed on the Brigadier, and use the ramp bed, the ramp part on my new truck, and build a custom flatbed for that new truck. And so, let's see here. Yeah, see, I'm just gonna cut it like right around here and keep this part on that truck and reuse this